Hello everybody, welcome to Adnate Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question from the chapter Properties of Solids and Liquid, which belongs to your unit 7 in your NEET syllabus. Okay, that's all. Now, what is the question, sir? This question has been asked in the REET examination in the year 2016. The question is, a rectangular film of liquid is extended from 4 centimeter into 2 centimeter to 5 centimeter into 4 centimeter. If the work done is 3 into 10 power minus 4 joule, the value of the surface tension of the liquid is how much? We are given 4 options: 0.2 Newton per meter, 8 Newton per meter, 0.250 Newton per meter, 0.125 Newton per meter, or Newton meter per minus 1, whatever it may be, both are one to the same. Okay, that's all. How to solve this problem, sir? We know that surface tension T is equal to W divided by 2 into delta A. In the case of drops, it will be W by delta A. In the case of films, it will be 2 into delta A. Why it is 2 into delta A in the case of films, sir? The film has 2 surfaces, whereas the drop has only a single surface. So upper surface and lower surface. Okay, let it be. So here, what is T surface tension that you know very well? W is the work done. What is the work done? For the to extend the area, 3 into 10 power minus 4 joule. Okay. What does it mean by extended from this to this one? The area of the film increases by doing the work. What is it means? What increase in area means? What final area minus initial area. How to find this? 2 into delta A. So 2 into 5 into 4, 5 centimeter into 4 centimeter, minus 4 into 2, 4 centimeter into 2 centimeter. So it is 2 into 5 into 4, 20, 4 into 2, 8, 20 minus 8. What is 20 minus 8? 12. So 2 into 12, 24. So 2 into 12, that is equal to 24. 24 area. What is its unit? Centimeter square, because these things are given in the unit centimeter. So this is centimeter square. You have to convert it into SI units. What do we get? 24 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Now you substitute the values in this equation. T is equal to W 3 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 2A. What is that? 24 into 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 4 in the numerator, 10 power minus 4 in the denominator. They will get cancelled. What is 3 by 24? 1 into 3, 3. 8 into 3, 24. So it is 1 by 8. What is 1 by 8? 0.125. Yeah. 10 by 8. So 0.8, 8, 20, 20, 16, 4, 40, 40, 0.125 Newton meter per minus 1. So the surface tension of the liquid is equal to 0.125 Newton meter per minus 1. Option A is the right answer for this question. Okay. We will see 2 more questions from this chapter, properties of solids and liquids, in our next 2 videos. After that, we will go to the another chapter, thermodynamics. Okay, anyway, till the next video appears before you, thank you one and all. Thank you.